Fine? Very good. Okay. See, today I am back here with one more new interesting chapter of EVS, which is chapter 11, Let Us Communicate. Which is Let Us Communicate. Children, communicate. Communication. What do you mean? Communication means it is the sharing of our feelings, of something informative, right? This is known as communication. Okay, to communicate ourselves with someone else. Okay, or to say something to someone. Just it is the sharing of information, ideas, feelings, expressing ourselves. This is known as communication. So in this chapter, children, we will know more about it. Communication means sharing of information, ideas, feelings, etc. It helps us to express ourselves, I said you. It also helps us to keep in touch with our friends, relatives. Okay, it keeps us in touch. Means nowadays you can know this one very well. As we are living far, we cannot go to each other's homes to visit due to this corona. So, but we are in touch with our family and friends. How? Through mobile, video chatting and all. This is known as communication. Okay. We communicate when we talk about what we know. Communication is done when like I am talking to you, I am communicating you, I am saying you, okay. Learn about new things, send or receive messages and sing or dance. This is also a communication. This is by singing and dancing also we communicate ourselves. In Children's Day or in this 15th August Independence Day, we used to do some patriotic songs. Why and what is the reason behind it? To show our patriotism towards our country by doing all this, that today is a day we should remember our heroes who have given us freedom, who has fought for our country, right? So this is also a way of communication. So now turn your book, page number 10. See, in page number 10, you can see some pictures. We communicate in many ways, like by listening, by speaking to someone, through expressions, by seeing television or seeing something, by typing and sending emails, by reading, by through gestures, okay, and by writing and sending letters. So these type of communication are known as what? Non-verbal communication. Okay, communication through facial expressions, gestures, etc. instead of speaking is called non-verbal communication. Right? See children, now by changing of times, people have started communicating with each other in different ways. Like in the way people communicate has changed with time. Okay. In olden days, people communicate with the help of smoke, signals, pigeons, and or by beating drums. Okay, you have seen in some movies or some, like how the letter has been sent by the pigeons and the smoke signals also. You might have been seen. If you have not seen, just search in the Google. Okay, ask your Google Bhaiya, and you can see the pictures and you can know also. But nowadays, people communicate by using variety of means as like mobile, television and all, computer, emails, letters. Right? See, here I have made some missing letters for you. So this is what I have tried to draw. Just guess it what it is. It is a television. Television. It is television. It is a way of communicating nowadays. And this one you are using so much nowadays due to this corona, right? Why? For reading, doing some assignments or something, or taking out some information. What is it? Computers. Computer. Computer, right? And our next picture, what it is? You might be knowing this one. It is a radio. 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 We can hear the news, music also, songs, different type of songs Now people are not listening, but I think you might be listening through this FM and all. But in previous days, it was a very essential way of communicating in mass. Okay. Now this one is what? It is a tablet. 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 And this one, what it is? It is a mobile phone. MOBILEPHONE. Mobile phone. Now it is your classroom mobile phone, right? Nowadays we are taking class through this only. You are listening from this only, right? Okay. Now you turn page number 12, where you can see some communication which is known as personal communication. Like this boy Sovit is talking or speaking with his neighbor. Okay, it is one to one. Okay, then Aryan is talking to his aunt on the mobile phone. Aryan is talking with the mobile phone to his aunt. Pawan is chatting with his friend on the computer. Pawan is chatting with his friend on the computer. And Naina is writing letter to her grandmother. She is writing letter to her grandmother only. It is one to one, means one person to one is known as what? Personal communication. So all these examples are of personal communication. Now one more communication is there, which is known as mass communication. Communicating with many people at the same time is known as mass communication. The newsreader on the television is telling about today's weather. See, what is mass communication? Personal communication is one to one. Okay, but mass communication is what? No, one person or maybe from one end the communication or the information will be going to a group of people, a lot of people at a time, is known as mass communication. Like the newsreader on the television is telling about today's weather. There is an advertisement on the radio about a new chocolate in the market. Okay, Ravi is reading about good habits on the computer. Then Ishika is watching a movie with her parents. Today's newspaper has a write-up on the Republic Parade. So these all are examples of mass communication. And here you can see what this book on health is read by many people all over the world. So these are all the examples of mass communication, right? Some are there which is one to one. It is known as personal communication. But some are there which by it is the newsreader, he is telling about the weather, and a lot at the same time thousands of hundreds of people are listening the news, right? This is known as mass communication. So children, this is all about communication. So communication are of different types. Means how? Some are personal communication and some are mass communication. Personal communication is one to one, but mass communication is one to many. Like I am teaching and you, many students are there who are listening this one. This is known as mass communication. So communication means it is passing on the information, ideas, feelings and expressing ourselves. Okay. So this is all about this chapter. Please go through the chapter, read the chapter many times so that you can understand. If there is any problem you cannot understand, you can ask me in live class. Okay. In the previous chapter I said you about to write 10 man-made animal homes. Have you written? Okay, I will see your copy. Okay, write down in your copy. Okay. So that's all for today children. Have a safe day. Have a good day. Stay back at home. Bye bye.